clip I'm going to show you how to make a Valentine tote to carry all those wonderful Valentines in that we get on Valentine's Day. We've cut out 2 circles from construction paper. If you want your basket to be, or your tote to be larger, you can use paper plates. We're going to take our 2 circles and fold these in half. And then we're going to take and set them inside of one another, like this. And then I'm going to add just one little staple at the bottom. And then we're also going to add a little bit of glue where they overlap, just for a little added durability. Next, we're going to take a construction paper heart we've cut out, and we're going to glue it on the front for some decoration. And I'm also going to add a shiny sticker. Next, we're going to glue some yarn to our tote. Now we have our Valentine tote.